Alright guys, so today we're installing this Family Customs carbon fiber fuse box area cover. I forget what they call it, ABS cover I guess. So what you need is a socket of sorts, a 10 millimeter socket, or a wrench of sorts, sorry. 10 millimeter socket, an 11 millimeter socket, and then you get these brackets with it, and then you can either drill into them to mount it, or you can just use 3M tape. I'm just going to go with 3M tape. Don't feel like drilling into carbon fiber today, and just don't feel like drilling at all into it. So I'm going to go with that route for now. This guy, it mounts to the existing bolt there. That's what you need the 10 millimeter for. My 10 is of course missing, so I gotta use this guy. Okay, it goes fun. And then the 11 is for the supplied one. I got a little stubby screwdriver to help me with this guy. But it should be super easy, and this should be a super quick video. And it should not take me more than a half hour. It's also super hot outside, so my dog's staying next to me. I'm gonna hopefully not step on him. Right, buddy? Right? Hey, yeah, you. Hopefully it actually doesn't take me longer than 10 minutes at most. Maybe 20 because I have to wipe this down. I haven't given this a proper wipe down for quite a long time. So this is the first and the second of the carbon fiber pieces we will be adding in here. Eventually I'll get the shroud, redo the shroud cover. Still debating on the firewall cover. Probably will, but we'll see. And then whatever else pops up. But let me loosen that guy up, install this guy. This guy should be pretty easy to do as well, but let me start with that guy. If I feel I need to record me screwing this guy on to that guy, I'll do that too. But other than that, I'll show you guys what the brackets look like once they're installed. So all in all, mine's not officially installed yet, so I haven't removed the other side of the sticky tape. I'm having a little bit of alignment issues, I guess if you call it. So I reached out to the company, to Family Customs, see what they say. This is centered as far as I can tell, right? That's centered and all that, but still don't really have access to that. So it could be like that or something. Anyways, I'm going to hear back from them before I completely install it. The brackets, I believe I installed this guy the wrong way. The bracket goes on the outside of the factory bracket. And we've got it good there. I haven't tightened this. I'm going to tighten it real quick, just in case. This is just more of a look pretty piece and not as much functional. Leave this guy open. It is what it is. I'm going to tighten it and close it. We'll just have to remove this every time we need to access things. But yeah. Once it's installed, it looks really damn good. So, hoping I could get that in there. That's gonna complete the engine bay for the time being. Give it a quick wipe down while I was here. Looks a lot better. Graphene detailer. Haven't heard of that? Research it, look it up. If you want to buy it, hit me up. I know where you can buy it. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. If I hear back from them, or when I hear back from them, I'll add on a little clip at the end. But other than that, looks really damn good. So there it is installed. My issue, and it's still a little off, with that not being centered, was nothing to do with the product. Somehow this got off centered and was crooked. I reached out to Family Customs and that's what they told me to look for, and guess what? They were right. So that's installed now. That's what it looks like finished. It's the beginning. Carbon fiber in there. We got plenty on the outside for the time being. That side skirts. We still gotta get the extensions that go back there. It looks good with these mud guards. And then we'll slowly add other places, but for now, that's it. So, super simple, easy installation as long as this has never been molested before, and the car's been molested a couple times by outside forces. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.